In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disable Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up Instagram, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then select the three lines up in the top right corner to open up your settings menu. You need to go ahead and select Account Center up at the very top, and then scroll down on here until you see personal details on here. Now, if you don't see personal details, don't worry, just select Manage Accounts, and then from here find your Instagram account, and then select Manage again. And then you're going to see this deactivation or deletion option. Go ahead and select that. And then of course, if you want to just temporarily deactivate your account, select deactivate account. But if you want to permanently remove it, choose delete account instead. Just remember that deleting your account will permanently remove, your profile, your photos, videos, and other account data. But that is how you can deactivate or disable Instagram. Choose one of these options and just continue through the process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.